Compliments are kind words we use to make others feel good. They show that we notice and appreciate something nice about a person. Learning how to give and respond to compliments helps us sound natural and friendly in English conversations. In this lesson, let's understand what compliments are and how to use them politely. A compliment is a polite and positive statement about someone or something. It expresses admiration or appreciation. For example, when you say you did a great job or I like your outfit, you are giving a compliment. Compliments help people feel valued and create a friendly atmosphere. They can be about someone's appearance, their skills, or the effort they put into something. Compliments are given in everyday life to show kindness and respect. You might compliment someone on how they look, how they work, or how they behave. For instance, you can say nice dress to comment on clothing or great job to praise someone's effort. You can also acknowledge a person's positive attitude or creativity. Giving compliments builds connection and spreads positivity. There are many simple and natural ways to give compliments in English. You can say nice dress or great job. You can also say you look good today or I really like your haircut. Other phrases include that is a wonderful idea or you did that perfectly. Using short, everyday expressions makes your compliment sound sincere and easy to understand. Compliments in English often follow a simple pattern. The structure is subject plus a linking verb plus a positive adjective or noun phrase. For example, you look beautiful, that was an amazing presentation, or this coffee tastes great. Using this pattern helps your compliment sound more natural and grammatically correct. When someone gives you a compliment, it is polite to respond with gratitude. You can say thank you, thanks that is really kind of you, or I am glad you liked it. You might also say thanks I worked hard on it, or that means a lot thank you. Simple and warm replies show that you appreciate the compliment without boasting. The tone and situation matter when giving compliments. Use a friendly and sincere voice. Avoid sounding exaggerated or sarcastic. Compliments should highlight respectful and positive qualities. Be careful not to say anything too personal, especially to strangers. Always mean what you say and keep your compliments genuine and appropriate. Practice helps you get comfortable using compliments. Try saying sentences like that presentation was impressive, you are good at explaining things, or those colors look great on you. You can also say I admire how you stay positive, or this cake tastes amazing. Use these in daily conversations with friends or coworkers to build confidence and connection. Compliments make communication warm and friendly. Always use positive and sincere language that fits the situation. Respond to compliments with gratitude and humility. Practice short, polite sentences regularly to sound fluent and natural. Listen to how native speakers use compliments and try to follow their tone and expressions in real conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.